How to search anything in Google Sheet. Need to find words, numbers, or formulas fast? Let's search in Google Sheet. So, first thing you can do is to click on Control F on your keyboard, and then this would pop at the top right of your screen. So in here, you can simply enter that specific information that you want to find from this sheet, such as the word yes. So all of the cells which has the specific word would then be highlighted and counted. Another thing you can do is to navigate results. So use the arrows in the search box to jump between matches. Each match is highlighted in the sheet. For deeper searches, click on this three dots at the right side and then go ahead and set this into your preferred search method. So you can also easily change all of that corresponding words on your sheet by setting this to find yes and replace with the word that you want it to be replaced off, and then click on replace all. So click on OK to confirm and your sheet will be updated. And that is how to search anything in Google Sheet.